How to schedule content with Vista Social. Scheduling content with Vista Social allows you to stay ahead of your content calendar without having to log in every day. If you're running a brand, managing client accounts, or growing your own online presence, the ability to queue posts ahead of time is a game changer. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. First, log into your Vista Social dashboard. On the main screen, navigate to the Post Composer or Content Planner. This is where you'll be able to create a new post. You can upload your media, write your captions, add hashtags, and preview the post for different platforms. Now, instead of clicking Publish, you'll hit the Schedule button. A calendar and time selector will appear. Here, you can choose the exact day and time you want your post to go live. Make sure your time zone is set correctly, which you can configure in your profile settings. Once selected, your post is locked in the queue, ready to be published automatically at your chosen time. You can repeat this process for multiple posts, allowing you to schedule a full week or even a month's worth of content in one go. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistent posting, which is key for growth. Don't forget, the link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. Signing up gives you access to all these automation tools that save time and boost performance. With Vista Social, content scheduling isn't just easy, it's smart. So get organized, plan your strategy, and let the platform handle the rest.